In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pika AI to swap clothes. We'll start with a still image where you've already edited the outfit, then bring it to life with natural motion so the fabric and camera feel real. I'll walk you through opening Pika, uploading your edited image, writing a clear motion prompt, and generating the final clip. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll have a polished video of your new look. First, head to the official Pika website or use the Pika Discord workspace if that's how your account is set up. The tools are similar, just choose the platform you already use. Make sure you're signed in and that your internet connection is stable so the upload and rendering go smoothly. Once you're in, navigate to the feature that animates images into short videos. You'll see an upload area and a prompt field ready for your instructions. Next, upload the edited image. This should be the photo where the clothes are already swapped to the style you want. For best results, use a clear, high-resolution JPG or PNG with the subject centered and well lit. Avoid busy backgrounds that might distract from the outfit and make sure the edges of the clothing are clean and believable. Small touch-ups beforehand go a long way. If Pika offers aspect ratio or duration options at this stage, choose settings that match where you plan to share the video. Now add your motion prompt. This tells Pika how to move the camera and the clothing without changing the outfit itself. Keep the description focused, visual, and restrained so the look stays consistent. A great starting point is camera slowly zooms in, fabric moving naturally, cinematic lighting. That phrasing gives gentle camera movement, subtle fabric dynamics, and a polished mood. You can mention pacing, camera angle, and light quality, but avoid asking for new garments or colors. Your image already defines the wardrobe. Short, specific prompts usually yield the most realistic motion. When you're ready, click Generate. Pika will process your image and apply the motion you described, creating a short video. Rendering time can vary based on cue and settings, so give it a moment. When it's done, preview the result to confirm that the outfit looks consistent and the movement feels smooth and natural. That's it. Your edited look is now a living, breathing clip. With a clean source image and a precise prompt, Pika makes your new outfit feel like it was captured on camera, ready to share anywhere you like.